on 10 at around.
You were picked for nothing at all?
Yes, and I did carefully what I'm saying,
Okay.
but I would have used the word abducted. But I'm saying I was picked on a roadblock mounted by Uganda Police Force at Mpigi. While I was questioning why I was being told to brand to the Mpigi police station, a drone just appeared, and if I could say much, they picked me out of my car. And when I was in the drone, the whole face was covered, and in front of me put some doors to make sure I can't be there and I see where you are going or whatever happens. And I was finally I had been taken to a place I don't know, show the room, the back room and small room. And when I reached that room, every single person, the gentleman that picked me, took a turn to beat, to kick, to do anything they want. Up until when I was hit on the head here, and a lot of blood was oozing out. That's when they stopped beating. And even now, if you look at the scar on the head, I have a fear whether I don't need to do a scan to establish whether there is a damage on the scar. All my bodies have been examined by the doctor and police. Immediately after that, they applied some chemical and tried to stop the bleeding, and they said the doctor will come in. The doctor never appeared until the next day, around midday. And when he examined me, he was also careful whether I didn't need a scan on the head. And later on, went, bought some medicine, and in the night, they began to rehabilitate me. A process that lasted a week, where they would do it morning, midday, and in the evening. It was as painful as the beating. So, after
they began to rehabilitate you?
to treat the wounds, I have some of them, like here. This is how they look like. If I would be permitted to do my vacuum to see most of the beating. But for some reasons I am not. But they are captured very well at the police station. The doctor examined me, and I don't know whether that record is for court and all that sort. So, and that place where I was not permitted. I've been inside that room ever since I entered it. It has just a small car window, and that's all we have for 19 days. Until this morning, when they brought my coat, I said, your days here have ended, can you bear? And the next, like 20 minutes, I was picked, again covered with the, all my face, and the final night I was, by the time they removed it was towards Matete. That's when I knew I was in Kampala, and around Matete, and Matete police station, going to this place. So my prayer is that I need